Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to check Spotify hours listened. So open the Spotify app or website, tap on your profile picture at the top right corner, and then go to your library. Look for your stats or listening history, which may show your total hours listened. Note, for more detailed stats, you can use a third-party website like Spotify Wrapped at the end of the year, or services like Stats for Spotify. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.